George Santos, responding to the latest claims against him, which I'm not sure if it's the puppy scam
George
charity.
Santos now responding to multiple new allegations made against
Multiple.
him.
Okay, multiple.
Santos says the claims are false.
Being a drag queen, totally cool. Makes you cooler in my book, George Santos. It's just kind of the hypocrisy of the Republican Party. The fact that, like, you're denying that you were when I'm pretty sure that's you. Should I, like, I could go to Photoshop and lay his face. I think we have a match. Time lapse. Check that out.
Santos says the claims are false.